this camera on, point it to the ground. Alright, I'm just going to say hi, here I am. Today is 24 November 2019. Okay, you see that there, 24/19, 24, let's see, that's right. Okay. Anyway, another long boring video like someone else recently mentioned, okay. What I want to show you here is that I have a Quasar 3632 right here, but it's missing a part, and you can't see that, can you? Okay, I got this one here, it's missing a part, it's all scratched to hell, and it doesn't sound very good, alright? Let me wide this one out, make sure it's widened out. Oops, go the other way. It is all the way. Okay, let me see if I can bring this up a bit. There we go. Alright, that one had to be all the way. So like I said, I just pulled this out, showed this. Okay, great. So then, I have this one here, which I got back this summer, but it arrived all broken. I made a video about that. So it works. I haven't listened to it to actually how well it sounds, but it works. But this is all toward hell. Okay? So, anyway, enough of that. And then we have a, what is this? This is also a Quasar. This has shortwave, just like that one does, but this one does not have ambience, whereas that one does. Okay, that's basically the only difference between that and this. It has, you know, full inputs, line level in, all that. Okay, it just doesn't have ambience. All right, so that's the difference between this model and that model. All right, and then we have the Panasonic RX 5031, and this one doesn't have ambience, but it has every other feature that I want. Okay, and I have two of them. Okay, and I'm stopping with two. Okay, all right. So, but what I'm in search of is one of these. Had the guy ship me this to me in and gotten it, you know, because this has a full complement of everything. Does your line in, has your selector switch, all that. Metal tape capability, ambience, and your shortwave. I don't care about the shortwave part. And what was it here? This one, okay. These 31s don't have metal tape capability. They don't have any tape capability. Okay, they don't have anything like that on there. So that was the other key little point there. Okay, so Panasonics don't have the metal tape, and they don't have the ambience. Okay, so that's the difference between the Quasar and the Panasonic. Panasonic has just you know, your function switch, stereo, mono, who cares, and your band switch, and then over here you got your line in tape and radio. Okay, here you got your light switch. It's like, who cares? This doesn't need a light switch, the light's always on, but it has your line in switch, your metal tape, chrome, whatever, your ambience, and then your shortwave, which I don't care about. So this is the better choice for me. And of course, you know, this has line in as well as this having line in. If I've said that enough times, I'll probably end up repeating myself. So what I'm hoping to get here is one of these, not all damaged. And I sent this man, this just popped up on eBay. Oh, that's the other thing. If you're using the eBay email alerts things, and you're not getting alerts, and you need to check your own self like every week, you know, in case you're not getting, so you don't get me buying something and then you wanting it because I bought it. Alright, so anyway, this was, I showed this seller in eBay that what happened previously, and so he packaged it well, and of course now it did come with a big old dent in the box here, but that's not a big deal because the radio here is, you know, the radio is that big, so it should have survived, I hope. So it says do not drop, do not all that on here. So Anyway, so and of course it's well packed. There's no shakiness, there's no whatever, you know, no noises, no whatever. So I just thought I'd, you know, but this is the epitome, okay, the epitome of what I'm looking for in a stereo boombox. Okay, I don't need, you know, an 8D battery monstrosity or even a 10D battery monstrosity. I'm just interested in listening to my cassette tapes not using headphones. Understand? You know, I don't want to be walking around here with a Walkman and little headphones plugged in my ears. I want to hear the music, you know, fairly okay with, you know, only 2 watts of power. That's, you're not going to get much with just 2 watts of power, but then I don't need to listen to it very loud. I just want to sing along my own self, okay? So that's all I want to do is just have the tunes for me to listen to, okay? But, you know, without headphones, and I don't need a great big humongous thing to wear out my batteries and my heartbeat and all that, okay? So okay, newspaper. So that looks like it's pretty solid. Looks like it may all be there. Alright, now I can throw that whole thing away. So we just put this over here. Now we get to the... Alright, so this has got shortwave. You can see the 2 knobs right there. Let's see if we can salvage some of this wrapping. Maybe. This is the boring part. We can go get a cup of coffee or something. Alright, so now he used the 12-inch wide stuff, but the smaller bubbles. I use the bigger bubbles, but anyway. Alright. Why he put the things all around? Okay, let's just do it like this. Let's cut this along here, just the way he did it, kind of. That's it. Okay, and then, yeah, I do recycle this stuff. I don't just throw it away. I throw maybe the cardboard boxes, but I definitely will save this stuff and reuse it in packaging something else. So I can kind of slough this off, kinda, maybe. There we go. Fine. And then this one we can just slough off, maybe. So, I'll use a whole bunch of wrapping on that. Okay, great. So now we got. Yeah, great. Okay. Yeah. Oh, great. There it is. Okay. Oh, and that reminds me, someone else said that they had one of these for sale on one of my comments in one of my videos, and they said they had the paper deal on it. I don't care about the paper deal on there. That's nice to have, nice to read and all that, but not mission critical, but nice to know. But I'm just curious, are you that guy? Or do you still have one of these for sale? Let's see here. I can't remember everything. So let's see here. So the voltage is set for 115. Here we go. This playing whatever it's playing. Those of you that can see it. Alright, so there it is. So there's that. It's got the scratchiness and that. There we go, that works. Okay, so. Well, that's nice to know that it comes in stereo and all that. And
KLUV.com.
we can't play that.
Sides of the ball, unfortunately. So you know, when you look at
Talk
Belichick
radio. Right.
and game plan and the way they'll look at the Cowboys offense, I can't wait to find out. I also
There's
think
the
we
balance.
should say this. The Patriots lead the league in man coverage.
Yes, it's not even close.
But
Turn that off. I'm not going to mess with line in even though it has it. Oops, wait. So, okay, so now it's that way, right? So, throw a tape in here. Didn't even check the tape, just hit play. Okay, so. That sounds good. That. Well, don't know if we get it in the other side. Maybe we did, maybe we didn't. Let's see here. Okay, so it. Okay. Didn't do it. Here we go. There you go. Alright, so now. Yeah, I don't know if I can hear this, but I'm not going to sell that music, but let me hold this thing up nice and close to y'all so you can see it. Oh golly, there we go. Alright, so holding it up to the YouTube peoples. Alright, so looks like that. Here, let me do it back in the light. Hold it low enough. There we go. Well, bad lighting, bad. Here, let me just change the angle of the camera on this one here. There you go. Alright, now, pardon Mac. Just turn that up. Zoom this. Wait. There we go. Alright, so now, okay, so that's what it looks like in the front. Okay. That's what it looks like in the top. Alright, so there's all the features I'm looking for in the epitome sized style boombox that I'm looking for. Okay. It's got shortwave, I don't need it, but it's got it, so sorry for you people out there in the world that want to have shortwave, but this is the radio I'm looking for. So it's got line in, it's got, you know, microphones, external speakers, headphone jack, standard whatever. But the most important part for me is it only takes 60 batteries. Doesn't take 8, doesn't take 10. It only takes 6 for 9 volts operation. Okay? Understand that? Therefore, I don't need to spend a whole bunch of money playing these things on batteries, because that's my sole intent here, is to play them on batteries. I don't need 1,000, you know, batteries or whatever. Just, you know, what, $12 worth of batteries? That's good for me. Alright, so just wanted to show you like that. This is, you know, what I'm looking for is the 9-volt batteries, or the 9-volt radios, not the humongous 12-volt thing. So all the, except for a choice few, very few, we're going to be selling off all the, like I keep telling people, I'm going to be selling things off. Yes, I have Panasonics, and yes, I have, you know, 2 of these. You know, here's 2 of these, and for those of you that want to see some eye candy, here's some eye candy. But no, I haven't gotten to it yet. I'll get to it someday, okay? But back on the shelf. Okay? So anyway, I've had too much fun here. Let me just take this thing off the camera. I'll take the camera off the tripod here and just flip this around, wide that out, 13. Okay, so we got what? Heck, we got one of those Magnavox toys right there. We've got this, we got that. Oh my gosh, I got so many things here to play with. But, which is one? Is this the newest one? That's the newest one. There's the newest one that's got the paper on it. Okay, great. So there's that one, there's that one, there's this one, there's those. There's a, whatever that is. I'm going to get this to that man soon, alright? There's a 50-50. And then we've got, okay. Here are, I know, yeah, y'all can't see it, but these are my 8614s. I have 3 of them. One's a Philips and the other 2 are Magnavox, or the other way, I can't remember. But I'll make another video about that elsewhere, just not for sale. But I do have 2 more down Wait, let me get the flashlight out since I got a little time on this thing. Flashlight. Alright, so. Yeah, can you see that back there? Using the flashlight, there's two of them. Two more. So that one up there is not for sale. Those two may be. $800 each. Yeah, you heard me. Okay. Want it for less? Buy it off eBay. Alright, thanks. That's all I can say. And I got a lot of Sanyos here to work on. Okay. And just a lot of other stuff. Sorry I'm not waving your camera around for the Facebook people, but there they are. Here I is. Alright, so good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. I've had fun. I gotta go work on the Sanyo now and clean house. Bye-bye.